This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening a browser and going straight to Google's account signup. Enter your name, pick a username that matches your purpose, and create a strong password. Once done, click Next to move forward. This begins the actual account creation rather than prepping settings. Make sure the username is available. If not, choose a suggested variant or add numbers. Also verify your password by typing it twice so you don't lock yourself out later. Next, you'll provide verification and recovery details. Enter your phone number to receive an SMS code and type that code when prompted. This secures account recovery. Add a recovery email and your birth date so Google can confirm identity and set age-appropriate settings. Once you've filled required fields, review username alternatives and password strength feedback. Make sure two-step options are visible. You can enable them now or later, but note that adding a recovery method reduces the chance of lockout. Finally, accept Google's terms, choose a profile photo if desired, and set sync preferences so mail, contacts, and calendar travel with your account. Open Gmail from the app or web to confirm inbox creation and import contacts or import settings. Sign into other devices to complete access. If you encounter verification problems, no SMS or code rejected, clear browser cache, try an incognito window, or use an alternate phone number. Contacting support is last resort, but often unnecessary after these steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.